Installation video for our monitor wall mount. Wood stud mounting option. With a stud finder, locate the stud and center the wall mount on the stud at the desired height. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, mark the center of the mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 3/16" drill bit and drill on the marked locations. Secure the wall mount to the wall using the provided lag screws and washers, then tighten the screws until secure. Place the decorative covers onto the mount to cover the heads of the lag screws. Concrete or brick mounting option. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, hold the wall mount to the desired location on the wall and mark the center of the mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 3/8" drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 2.4 inches. Clear any dust and debris from the holes and insert the provided concrete anchors. Secure the wall mount to the wall using the provided lag screws and washers, then tighten the screws until secure. Place the decorative covers onto the mount to cover the heads of the lag screws. Assemble the arm. Insert the mount arm into the wall mount, then partially tighten the set screw so that the arm cannot be removed from the joint. Insert the spring arm into the arm joint, then partially tighten the set screw so that the arm cannot be removed from the joint. Connect the VESA head to the end of the spring arm using the VESA connector washer and the VESA connector bolt. Tighten until secure using the provided hex wrench. Remove the thumb screw from the back of the VESA head. Pull the bottom of the VESA plate on the front away, then up to remove it. Attach the VESA plate to the monitor. Select the appropriate size mounting bolts and washers for your display's mounting holes, then secure the VESA plate to the monitor. Attaching the monitor. Hang the monitor on the end of the VESA head by hooking the top of the plate back onto the end of the arm and then lower it down into position. Reinstall the thumb screw to secure it in place. Weight balancing the gas spring arm. To properly balance the arm with monitor mounted, adjust the spring tension using the supplied Allen key as follows. First, position and firmly hold the arm horizontally as shown. If the arm drops, turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise towards the plus sign until it stays in a horizontal position. If the arm rises, turn the adjustment screw clockwise towards the minus sign until it stays in a horizontal position. Cable management. Remove the cable management covers from the underside of the mount arms, sliding the covers forward toward the VESA plate, then away from the arm. Run any cables beneath, then reinstall the cable management cover. Final adjustments. Loosen this screw, tilt the screen to the desired position, then tighten the screw back down.